called? Tap, tap. And then, hey, Marty, take a seat. Alright, all the way up. Are you listening? Are you getting it? Got it? Okay, let's practice. Ready? Let's go. Don't clap, because I won't clap you like that. Yeah. Tap, tap. Turn. Okay. Turn. Okay, everyone got it now, right? Okay. This price is just $1 million over there. Oh my gosh, you can pretty do good. Let's go. Go another side, Nico. Go more. Let's do the left side. I think you should be here. There we go. I feel so comfortable. Hi. Okay. I know I can tell. Bakit kayo eh. Tanan. Ready, set, go.
Alright.
No lagging, so it's supposed to be fast, okay? Ready, set, go. Sorry. Bye, girl. Yeah. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Good. I want you to win. Ready, go. Alright. Girl, go like this and this is nice. Okay, don't be shy. You have the right to eat it. Did you parang may buhay na sa ano mo? Parang may init. You have to raise it high, okay? Hello. How are you? Ready, set, go. Alright. No chance for you. Goodbye. No chance for you. Bye, girl.
Hi guys. Hi, Linda's friend. Say happy birthday to Linda. You wanna say something? Good.
Happy birthday, Linda. We love you. We love you, Linda.
Okay, ako na ipadala ni Linda. Kupya. Happy birthday. Sino sa amin ba?
Ano yan ba na request?
Low. Oh. Kasi mo sa iyang ba na? May something. Oh, pwede. Oh. Ang gwapo ang Low. Ay, guys. Ano guys? Oo, kasi video to eh. Dala na to. Kasama na sa pelikula. Kahit sa sangka, oh. Birthday of Linda Lau. Sa 18th birthday siya nung Mama Loy. 18th birthday. Debut of Linda Lau. The son-in-law. The sons-in-law. Sa tingalan ni mo ka? John. Si John. Hi, John. Cebu. Jong. Cagayan de Oro. Chinoy. Pastoral debutante. Hi, Mai! Hi, Mai! Kita mang birthday! Bibigyan si mo, mami? Hi, kid! Kasi, guapa. Inyong dati, what are oh. Next year ba? Ano ba? I picture ako na video. So I'm talking and taking pictures. Uy! Beverly! Sinanglus. Hi, Beb! Doon kayo natawa na kita. Wala ka nakatinog sa miss nun. Ano man? Sinanglus. Ano, Los? Sinom doon ka? Padayon yung istorya kay. Video man video. Kampos. Wala na nanonood sa ako. Nag-contact si Kuan ba? Si Mercedes. Wala ikaw yun? Okay, nag-Facebook ko ito nga si Beverly. Nag-contact ka kayo para sa miss nun.